Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on simple and compound interest. It says the compound interest on a certain sum of money for 2 years is rupees 52 and the simple interest at the same rate is rupees 50. Find the rate and the sum. So let us see how can we solve this question. First thing is this question is using compound interest as well as simple interest both. So let me quickly write the formula for compound interest. It is P multiplied by 1 plus R by 100 to the power T minus P, whereas the formula for simple interest is P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100, where P in both the cases stands for principal, R stands for rate of interest, that is percentage value, and T stands for time in years. So the values which are given to us is time is given as 2 years, as you can see. When it was a case of compound interest, then compound interest is given as rupees 52. When it was a case of simple interest, it was given as rupees 50. So when we put the values in the formulas, I get 52 rupees is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus rate of interest by 100 to the power 2 minus P. Similarly, simple interest can be written as 50 is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by 2 divided by 100, which gives me P multiplied by R is equal to 50 multiplied by 100 divided by 2. When we do the cancellation, we get P into R is equal to 2500. Now as you can see, this is one equation and PR is equal to 2500. This is my second equation. But these equations do not look very easy or convincing wherein we can use them directly and get the answer of P and R. So what we'll do, we'll use a different process here, and that is in case of compound interest and simple interest, what happens is in simple interest every year the value of interest remains same. So for example, if the total interest for 2 years is 50, so each year it is going to be 25 rupees in case of simple interest. In case of compound interest, for the first year the amount of interest remains the same as it was in simple interest, because for first year there is no difference between compound and simple. So if the first year interest is 25 and if for both the years it is 52, that means for the second year the interest remains 27 rupees. So what I can say is from first year to second year onwards, the interest will be applied on principal plus the first year of interest, that is 25 rupees. And what is the interest value? That is we need to calculate, that is R by 100. So this is going to be P plus 25 multiplied by R by 100, and this should fetch me the interest for the second year, that is 27. Now when I solve it further, I get PR by 100 plus 25R by 100 is equal to 27. For PR we already know the value, which is 2500, so it becomes 2500 by 100 plus this gets cancelled, so it is R by 4 is equal to 27. These two zeros gets cancelled, and therefore R by 4 is equal to 27 minus 25, that is 2. So my R becomes 8 8%. Now in this entire process, the only thing to understand here is this particular step, wherein we have used the amount for first year, that is P plus 25, and multiplying it with the rate of interest for the second year to get the interest for the second year. So by using this concept, we have reached to a conclusion wherein we get rate of interest is 8%. Now when I put the value of R in the second equation, that is P multiplied by 8% is equal to 2500, we can easily get P is equal to 2500 divided by 8, and this gives me 8 threes are 24, 1 0, 8 ones are 8, 2 0, 8 twos are 16.5 rupees. So this is going to be my principal value, that is 312.5. So therefore the combination of 8% and rupees 312.5, that is my first option, becomes the answer. I hope the concept and the approach toward the question is clear to all. Thank you everyone.